All right, guys, I'm gonna vacuum the little power max here and get this stirred up.
And though it, turn it off for 1 second. It was a large air conditioning system, and
Right.
it cost a lot of money to run it. You know, electric is expensive, right? But they had a well, and it cost money for the well pump, but it was cheaper to run the well
Right.
and have sprinklers and hoses watering down the coils to make it more efficient. It was cheaper to run a well pump, and even though they were wasting water because it was just running away down the parking lot, it was cheaper to cool off the coils with well water and pay for the well pump than to pay the electric bill for the extra work to cool the building.
Okay.
It was a waste of water, but it was cheaper to have sprinklers on hot days cool off the air conditioning unit with water. You know, the coils and everything. It made it more efficient, and it reduced the electric bill a whole lot less than the well pump electric.
All right. All right, guys. That's one to say something about when you move out water bottles. Well, I'm telling you guys a little story on that. I'll push it here, we're gonna try this, guys. This is the turbo claw, guys. So we're gonna give this a try right now and see how this works. Go ahead and get this piece off. Second, guys. I'm gonna hook up so much if you apply very light pressure, you'll get a lot of this dirt off. Apply very little pressure along the wrist, guys, just like that. You also got grease and how to keep the line. off a little bit. The Dirt Devil Power Turbo thing. Give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and put this back in the holder. Back this way. Not that like this start your back, you know, all get off. But you guys like the backpack over the area. Watch through. While cleaning. So if I miss anything, I get it. Large slice. Right down the floor. White cloth. Poor guy. It'll just surface on the floor. We'll have to go right onto that cloth, you know. It should not be worse than seeing the floor with all kinds of loose dirt on it, you know. Oh yeah, guys, just get a lot of loose dirt on my hair crunching on it. Like I say, guys, you can't just be like some. Yeah, just do a really good job there, so. Guys, like I say, the only thing I would say I would want to see on this vacuum is longer cord, guys. That's the good thing. Otherwise, guys, someone will come to buy a new extension cord and we'll run an extension cord, guys. Otherwise, I really like the machine. You see, I made a bunch of dirt here, right? So bad. Good. Quite impressive, performance. Quite a good job by all the dirt and stuff. You gotta remember, get along here. Small stuff, okay? There you go. Always go up along the edges, guys, and the line go like 4 more dirt. Nothing up this little throw rudder and you can feel it's not the edge. And actually you get more dirt up too. Because dirt, some area runs toward the edge. It's all the same yes, you know. Some people think, oh, I want my area rug. Well, there's a reason why I do that, because there's dirt that gets thrown underneath there, you know. So, I always roll up the area rug for a reason that dirt will always get blown underneath the crevice of the rug and always get swept underneath. So, you're always going to have that minor issue that always drives one crazy. Okay, say, oh, I found a. Let me get the sleeve up, guys. There's a leaf here. I didn't see it just till now. It's a piece of dirt, so I'm gonna clean it up right now. Hope you enjoyed the Dirt Devil Power Max. Like I said, guys, I'm liking this model. I haven't had any problems with it at all. The filter's still clean. It still has a great amount of suction. So, guys, always make sure you check your filter and clean them. It's just part of the maintenance of the vacuum, guys. And guys, stay away from carpet powder with bagless vacuums and drywall dust. Just don't use it on that. If you're wanting to use something like that, go buy a shop vac. These are not intended for that sole purpose, guys. These are intended for dirt pickup inside the house. If you want to use carpet powder, use a bagged vacuum. Do not use a bagless, because it goes right to the motor, guys. If I had to do carpet powder vacuuming, I would want the old Dirt Devil Jaguar bag that I used to have. 12 amp, guys. This here is actually a... This vacuum right here, guys, is actually a 12 amp, so I like it. It works really good. Have a good one, guys. There'll be more to come.